What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée, and this video is on the Breakout Prop mobile app. It's just a walkthrough. This is not financial advice. For any details about how Breakout Prop works, make sure you check out their website, breakoutprop.com, or look at some other videos on my YouTube channel. Now, specifically, this mobile app is something that I just started using. I've been using Breakout Prop for over 2 years, and people in my community have been trading on Breakout Prop for a long time as well. But I just discovered the mobile app, and so in this video, I want to walk through how to use it and show you some of the things I think are pretty cool about it, how it highlights information. Also on the screen, you will see my discount code, GGRF7W. This is an affiliate code that if you use it, anytime you purchase a Breakout Prop evaluation, you will get a discount. I may earn a commission that helps the channel, so I need to disclose that up front. But here we go. Here's the walkthrough. So on this first screen right here, it shows my balance on the current Breakout Prop account I have. I'm actually in a trade right now, so that's where you see this green. Now, if you click on View Position History, it's going to show you the history of the positions, the trades I've taken. Ledger, it's going to show all the details there, orders, trades that I've made, positions again. So now we go back to the overview, then we click on Portfolio. That's what takes you back to this screen. Next, we're going to click on Markets, and here's Trade. Trade shows you the trading chart, so you can change it from 1 minute. You can change the type of candles you want to use. You can also click on Heikin-Ashi candles. You can see down here the order book. Here's the depth of the order book. You can see price action moving in real time. Here's where you actually place your trades. So here you can either buy or sell. You can see the order book on the right hand side, the current price. Here's how you purchase an evaluation. Following the link inside the description of this video, you can click on what type of evaluation you want to purchase. I always get the $100,000 Classic. I think that gives you the most flexibility for someone who's starting out. You put in my discount code right here, GGRF7W, and that's how you save money at checkout on any evaluation you purchase. Next, you're going to have to fill out your contact details, put in your name and email and the rest of your payment information, and after that, you'll be ready to start trading. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe if you like this video. There's more information on my channel that you might find helpful. I also have my private Discord group, which is free to join. We help each other out and answer any questions. I'm in there 7 days a week. Make sure you holler at your boy Cassius Cuvée.